Hello and welcome back to Eagles FS. This is our Forex Weekly Analysis where we showcase you where the price will move into this week to enable you take informed decisions. So if you have not joined our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel because if you do, you get advantage of seeing our weekly Forex forecast, and you also get another advantage of seeing my trades because I drop all the trades I take within the week in my YouTube channel. Okay, and if you join our family, you can also take advantage of seeing my signals because I drop one or two signals every week in our free Telegram channel. So I encourage you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, join our free Telegram community so that we will grow together. Let's dive in. Starting from gold, on a weekly time frame, looking at the gold is bullish. Not until the past 2 weeks that gold decided to tumble. From where? From the highest price that gold has experienced since its inception. And gold is now falling back to this zone. You see this, you watch my arrow. This price is coming down to where? This yellow zone. But you know one thing in forex, that the price will not just fall straight away to this zone. There will also always be a what? A pullback. So let's go down to daily time frame to take a look at it. So this is daily time frame on gold. You notice one thing on this daily time frame. Let me show you why I tell the gold is coming down. Gold has been moving bullish. Okay, you see this trend line that I'm drawing. This trend line has been protecting this pair from going bearish, and immediately this trend line was broken, you notice again that this higher low was also taken out, signifying what? That the bears have taken charge on a daily time frame. So we expect gold to fall down to this zone. We expect gold to fall down to where? To this zone, this weekly support level. That's where we're expecting gold to fall down. But before gold will fall down to here, there will always be a pullback before continuational sell. So let's go down to 4 hour time frame and see how we can take advantage of this sell, because we are planning to sell gold this week, coming week. So this is how our sell setup will be. This is our 4 hour time frame. We'll take our sell entry at this zone. Let me highlight it for you. At this zone is where we are taking our sell entry. If price come to this zone, you see where I'm highlighting now. This zone that I'm highlighting. Okay. If price comes to this zone, we will look for what? A change of character in where? 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame. And we sell. We look for what? Change of character in smaller time frame and we sell. This is how we take action on gold coming this week. So make sure you stay tuned so that you get this signal, because I will drop it and we are selling this price. This price is falling down to this zone. So this is it, how we're taking our entries on gold. So next pair on our list is euro dollar. So euro dollar on a weekly time frame, you can see that euro dollar on a weekly time frame is falling down, falling down. And currently the euro dollar is sitting at a weekly resistance level. Let me adjust this thing. Exactly. Euro dollar is sitting at weekly resistance level. Okay. Sorry, at weekly support level. Euro dollar is sitting at weekly support level. Okay. Now, how do you take approach on this trade now? Let's go down to daily time frame and have a look. So this is a daily time frame. If you notice in a daily time frame, the market is in a pure downtrend after this double top that happened here. Let me use this arrow so that you'll be seeing me. Follow me, guys. I want to show you something. This is a double top I'm talking about. After this double top, the market break below this zone, this higher low. And after breaking this higher low, it created a lower low. After lower low, what again? It created a lower high. After lower high, what happened? It created another lower low. So after lower low now, what we are expecting? I'm expecting this price to do what? To create another lower high. To maybe around this zone. Around this zone. So let me mark it. Let me mark it so that you see it. So we are expecting this price to come back to this zone to create what? A lower high. We are expecting Euro USD to come down this zone for a lower high. Okay. So coming this week we are entering, we plan to buy Euro USD from here. Okay, on our entry confirmation, let's go down to 4 hour time frame for our entry confirmation. So this is 4 hour time frame. Okay, from this yellow zone now, we'll do what? We'll try to do what is counter trending now, because if you notice in this 4 hour time frame is downtrend, is what downtrend. Even daily is downtrend. Okay, even in weekly now we are sitting at weekly support level. So we are expecting price to pull back to this zone. Let me show you what will happen this week as we are entering this week on euro dollar. We expect this price to pull back to this zone. Okay, so if price pull back to this zone, you short. Okay, but if you're aggressive trader, you can join this small movement to this place. But remember, it's a counter trade. It can always backfire. Okay, it's about 100 and something pips. But my advice is wait for price to come down to this zone. And you do what? Look for price action and then we'll short. Okay, so we are shorting euro dollar from this zone. Let me highlight it. From this zone, that's where we'll be shorting euro dollar. Once you see the price action, if price come down that area, we'll short, because coming this week, I will be expecting that price should be able to break this zone. So this is how we will take on euro dollar this coming week. So let's go down to next pair on our list. You see the next pair on our list is GBP USD. So you notice in GBP USD that GBP USD has changed to downtrend. Let me show you one thing. Let's go down to 4 hour time frame before I want to show you something. Just follow me. You see in 4 hour time frame, pay attention. Let me draw a trend line. From this one now, I will take you to back to weekly time frame. You see this trend line. On a 4 hour time frame, this trend line has been holding this price from falling down. Immediately this trend line was broken and this higher low was taken out. That shows that bias has taken over in 4 hour time frame. Okay, this is happening in 4 hour time frame. Now let's look at what happened in daily time frame. This is daily time frame. Let me open it. This is daily time frame. You notice one thing in daily time frame. Let's draw another trend line. Let's connect it from here to here. This is daily time frame trend line. What do you notice? This daily time frame has also been protecting this price from falling down. Not until this trend line was broken. This you see this trend line was protecting this market price. It was protecting the buyers. Not until this bullish candle break it. Not only that, break the lower high, because previously this market was going up in a daily time frame. Immediately this zone was broken. Let me show you with my cursor so that you follow up. You analyze this pairs, you understand what will happen. Immediately this higher low, this is higher low, okay, was taken out. This shows change of character in a daily time frame. And since ever this thing happened, daily time frame started bleeding. That's why you see all this selling, 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 selling. So let's go that back to weekly time frame so that you understand what I'm showing you. Now let's go back to weekly time frame. So this weekly time frame, let me draw another trend line so that you see what is happening. Let's connect it from here. Okay, you can even connect it from this one. And let's take it up weekly time frame. What are you seeing? What are you seeing? Are you seeing that this higher low, this zone? Let me bring my cursor again. So this higher low, this is the higher low on a weekly time frame, has been taken out by who? By this bullish, bearish engulf candle. It has taken out this higher low, signifying that GBP USD is what falling down. All this free space, this GBP is falling down. The question is now is that how do you take advantage of this sell? In 4 hour time frame we are bearish, daily time frame we are bearish, and in weekly time frame now we have joined the bears. So GBP USD will be looking for sales opportunity. So let's go back to 4 hour time frame. So this is our 4 hour time frame. The only thing we will be looking for is to see where opportunity to do was to sell. If price come to this zone, let me show you. If price come to this zone, you see there is a gap here. If price come to this zone, monitor for price action, change of character. Okay. If you didn't see it here, let me highlight it so that do not sell on a blind. You must see price action confirmation. There is a gap here. You see this gap, price need to come and fill it. It's a must. Price will come and fill it. So when price comes here, if you see change of character, we sell down. If you don't see change of character here, don't sell. Allow price to come back to this resistance level. Okay. So these are two areas that we're looking at for sell on GBP USD. See it here. If price come here, we will sell with change of character. That is our sell confirmation. If you don't see change of character here on 5 minutes or 15 minutes, do not sell. Okay, allow price to do what? To come down to this area. So these are two possible areas that this price will come down before buyers will see take over again. Okay, so these two areas where I'm calling sell on GBP USD. So the next pair on our list is what? GBP JPY. So on a weekly time frame, this pair is where bullish. Okay, so it's bullish on a weekly time frame. Let's go down to daily time frame and have a look on what is happening. So this is daily time frame. Okay, so in daily time frame, I'm seeing break of change of character here. Let me show you. Let me show you. Just calm down. This is forex for you. And seeing something, this market push up to this resistance. Come down here. Try again and do what happened. Boom. Okay, causing change of character on a daily time frame. Let me use trend line. Let me use support trend line to draw. So with support trend line, let's see what will happen. Are you noticing what I'm seeing? Let me educate you once more. This price has been going up not until this thing happen. See, when this price come here and close below here, this is called change of character, signifying that buyers want to take over. But at that time, this trend line kept holding this price and price pulled back again to institutional reference point. Okay, and currently now on a forward time frame, what are you seeing here? Another one has happened. This is called break of structure. After change of character, you see break of structure. It means that that direction of the market will hold. Okay, this one is change of character. The second one is break of structure. So the only thing you need to do now is to allow price to pull back. This is GBP JPY. Allow price to pull back to institutional reference point. There's a fair value gap here. Are you seeing this fair value gap? Price might be attracted to this fair value gap. Okay, price might be attracted to this fair value gap. So if we see opportunity at this zone, we will do what? We will sell. Okay, but if price don come back to this zone, we will look for opportunity at this resistance level, because this place now is resistance. This is our nearest resistance. Okay, but we wait for price action. All this thing is depends on price action. Do not sell blindly. But I'm telling you that on GBP JPY, we will be looking for what? Sell opportunities. That will be our interest on GBP JPY. So let's go down to next pair on our list, which is Euro JPY. So Euro JPY on a weekly time frame, you can see that last week, okay, last 2 weeks, when this price, when this price open, it closes below the previous high. Let me show you. You see this red candle, this is bearish engulf candle. Last week when it happened, it closes and drop here. Okay, so we bought this market last week up to this resistance level. For those of you that have watched my video on how to take advantage of bullish or bearish engulfing candle, this price action that happened here, you will have sold this market from this resistance level down to this current price zone, because I made a video about this price action. how to take advantage of bullish engulfing candle or bearish engulfing candle. So you can notice that the bias is taking over on Euro JPY. So let's go down to daily time frame for further analysis. So on a daily time frame, you can see that the price is shifting towards what? Bearish downtrend. How do I know? You can see it. Let me show you. Let me show you. The price moved and created this, okay, higher high. After that, it created a what? Higher low. Supposed to do what? Create at least equal high, but that didn't happen. Rather, it stopped here and created a lower high and created a lower low. Causing a what? Change of character on a daily time frame. Whenever you see change of character in a daily time frame, take it serious. The direction of the trend want to change. So on a daily time frame now, we are bearish and we are on Euro JPY. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame to have a look. So this 4-hour time frame, same thing that happened on GBP JPY is what is repeating itself here. See, when this price closed below this zone was when change of character happened on a 4-hour time frame. Okay. After this, price moved back for a retest and come back now and break below this zone, causing break of structure. Whenever I see change of character and break of structure, it means that the trend is head. So all you need to do now is to do what? To wait for price to pull back. There are institutional reference point where this price can pull back to. Let me show you one. This price might be attracted to this fair value gap here. Are you seeing this fair value gap here? There's a fair value gap here. This price might be attracted to this zone. Okay. So if price come back to this zone, do what you said. By using our confirmation, you know our confirmation, change of character in a lower time frame, 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame. You can sell from this zone. This is GBP, sorry, this is Euro JPY, and this market is falling down. This is falling down. Okay. So if price come here, we sell. If price don't reach here, we measure from this zone to this zone and know the distance. Wait, let me show you, because I want you guys to understand this analysis better. Measure from this zone. If price start pulling back, measure from this zone to this zone. Okay, fine. There is another big fair value gap here, but allow price action to play out on Monday. By Tuesday, you know whether this price will come to this zone or not. But if you see price at this zone, watch out for our price entry confirmation and you sell. So this is how I'll be stopping this analysis for this week. If you find value in my video, kindly subscribe. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, always come back, because I'll be dropping this type of content back to back. If you have not joined our free Telegram channel, the link is within around this video. Join it, because I'll be dropping free signals there once or twice every week. See you guys in my next episode. Cheers.